How to report someone on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can report someone on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to report someone on Discord, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is you have to go and open the Discord application, navigate to a server, hit the members icon and just select any of the members that you want to report. Now in this case I'm selecting a bot because there are no really members on my group, but if there is a particular person that you would like to report from a group, when you select your profile you'll find the three dots icon right here, and when you tap the three dots icon you'll find an option here known as report user profile. So make sure to tap on the report user profile option, and once done you can simply select a reason, tap on the next, and then that person will get successfully reported. This way you'll be able to report someone on Discord. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.